In Windows 11, Microsoft changed the context menu. Those are the options you see when you right-click on a file or icon. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change the context menu to something more familiar. On the left here is how the context menu looks in Windows 11. You'll notice it's a lot shorter. On the right is how it'll look after the change. This is something you're more familiar with. So to do that, we're going to open up PowerShell. We're going to go to Start, search for PowerShell. We're going to run as administrator. Enter your credentials, your admin credentials. In the description below, I'll have this command available for you to copy and paste into PowerShell. So I'm going to copy this command. Going on here. I'm going to go to the PowerShell prompt. I'm going to right-click. And in my case, it actually hit enter for me, but you may have to hit enter. It'll say this operation is completed successfully. Restart your PC and the changes will take effect. Thanks for watching.